My name is Seema and I'm in the Culinary Arts program at Humber College. It teaches you all aspects of culinary. So far, I'm learning the hands-on training, which is in the kitchen. Part of the business sides, such as like recipe costing and scheduling and things like that I wasn't prepared to learn, but is actually going to be beneficial.
I kind of worked in the industry a little bit before coming here, and I wasn't sure if when I got here I would be kind of learning things that I already knew. And while I am doing a little bit of that, there's still so much information that I'm getting and taking in that I haven't ever been exposed to. I find that the faculty, to be honest with you, are great. A lot of them are very, very able to get the students excited about what they're doing. They have a lot of character, I suppose. They're very charismatic.
I do my own catering on the side. So Humber coming here particularly is going to enhance what I'm already doing, which is catering and event services.
If you have a clear passion for food and you're really into it and you think you could do it, for 10 hours a day, every day, then it's the right field and it's the right move.